Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BBDA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one numerous times, lost track of how many times, but it's one of these that remains popular. A lot of people, follow it still, and given the amount of questions and requests I've had come in on it recently, want to get it updated here. Very nice day yesterday, but more importantly, I think nicer day today. Now, before you go and call me crazy for calling a red day nice, I'll explain myself. But the first thing I want to just talk about is, in a longer term view, very nice to see the price has been able to hold these gains. This massive move here, and of course, yeah, the 50-day knocked it down, but the thing that sticks out is on the pullback, that's as low as it went right there, and then made another nice move up. Didn't quite, retest that, but still on this pullback, check out where these lows were. So when you have lows that are higher than that one, which is higher than that one, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. It just shows, and remember what that represents. On level 2, people that are buying on the bid are having to continually up their bids and pay more and more if they want to get shares on the bid. Over here, people are able to get them down as low as 0.0041. Now people are only getting them as low as 0.0045. So that, I know that isn't a lot, but the whole psychology and the trend of things is what matters. And the trend right now is this keeps putting in higher highs, and bidders are having to bid higher and higher, which is what you want to see. Now, going back to today, saying I like today's action possibly even more than yesterday, the reason for that is big move, yes, but lots of stocks make big moves. The key part is how do they react afterwards, and do they maintain key levels of support? And with this one, we have a very obvious level of key support that needs to be maintained ideally, which is going to be this purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average, and that's valued at 0.005. So today it went down as low as 0.0049, but you can see where the close came. 0.0051 was able to close above it. And that's what you want to continue to see happen, is for the price to maintain itself above there. Now, if it doesn't, not the end of the world, because we have this very, what seems to be hefty level of support down here at 0045. So I'm going to make that more of an important level of support, just because it's been tested multiple times and it's held every single time. And the reason, if that one doesn't fall, then you run the risk of not putting in higher lows anymore, which is counterproductive to what you want to see happening. But all in all, best case scenario and ideal support level being holding above this purple line, but if not, you still do have 0045 down here as support. In terms of resistance levels, the one that's really sticking out right now is right here. You can see multiple times knock the price down, which is right here at 0.0055. So that's going to be the initial level and current level of resistance that needs to get pushed through. And then after that, next level of resistance is simply this previous high up here at 006. I'm not going to go any further than that, one step at a time. Let's first get some closes up above these levels, and I'm sure I'll be back to update it. But all in all, nice looking chart, both from the overall time frame in terms of these higher lows, and shorter term in terms of a nice move yesterday and then maintaining its gains today. So all in all, it'll be interesting to see how things play out next week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter and sign up for it up there. And when you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you liked the video, found it helpful, and want to learn more about charting and make an investment into your education, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. Over 8.5 hours of education and video. Been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to read the testimonials and give it a try. One more time, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening. Have a good weekend.